Okay, the battery came today for this wonderful instrument. Look at that. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, and every 50 millionths it'll pop up 0 or 5. Too bad don't get 1s and 3s and 7s in this last column. That's most likely the next. Okay, one strange thing, or different thing, on a manual micrometer, this is your coarse adjustment, and here will be your ratchet. This is your coarse adjust, and this right here is your ratchet. Lever lock. You may not be able to see it, but carbide faces. Battery goes here. There's a micro USB port here. Could connect it to my computer if I get a cord. That's our certificate. Hereby certify this product has been inspected and found to conform to traceable national standards. Series number 331. And I presume there'd be a lot of them. Here's your usual small booklet of instructions. Let's see how thick this paper is. Gee. Hair over 4,000ths. Not even a hair over 4,000ths, considering 4,000ths is a hair. Turn this baby off, save the battery. I know they're cheap, but I'm poor. Now, I was reading in the instructions, and you see your basic was looking at the instructions, and with the absolute, arbitrarily picked that spot. This is what I've set with a standard, right? Absolute. Now, all the parts coming along, this is the nominal or required size. And this one is 58, almost 59 thousandths undersize. Reject. Very, very, very nice. So, not only will it perform the function of a regular 1-inch micrometer with some nice resolution on its measuring capabilities, but it also will serve the function of a gauging micrometer. I believe that's what they call them. They got a little dial and the big fat C bar, C. You set it against the standard, and the part is either over or under or gauging micrometer. Well, I'm going to shut off for now.